Hello guys, welcome to another ScandiPWA weekly community session with agencies. It's Alex here today and we have several topics to discuss with you. First, I will start with the latest ScandiPWA updates. I will share what's been happening with the project during this week, and then I will introduce the updated ScandiPWA.com website, as well as share some updates related to partners program. So let's move on with our first topic for today, latest ScandiPWA updates. If you are not following our weekly newsletter, then make sure to open our Medium page where you can find all the latest information. And since our last weekly community session, since the last week, we have rolled out several impressive updates. I'm going to explain this in detail right now. So we have rolled out two releases, ScandiPWA 2.11.0 and ScandiPWA 2.11.1, with some really impressive feature list. So let's open the first one. Let's open 2.11 and check what's new in ScandiPWA. So among new features, we see that demo stored notice support is now available, login and checkout functionality, offline notice, pagination control setting support, tire price notice display on product listing pages, upsell product support, customer email configuration. It's now possible to set up different images for slider for mobile devices and desktop devices, so you can have different sliders for different device types. Also, there are some SEO improvements, and of course every update comes out with a list of bug fixes. So let's check in detail. I will demonstrate to you some of these features that has been released recently. First, we start with the demo store notice support. I will open this reference store, and you can see straight away the demo store notice. So basically, this can be configured, and you can type in any text you need just to inform your visitors that this store is actually a demo created for the demonstration purposes. Also, we have login in checkout functionality released. So I'm going to buy some demo products from this demo store. Let me buy this product. And now if I go to a shopping cart, and if I'm a registered user, I am able to log in from my shopping cart straight away. Let me demonstrate it for you. And so I can easily move to the next step, to payment. And my address already appeared since I'm a registered user. Okay, so among other features I'd like to demonstrate is a tire price notice display on product listing pages. So let me clear the cart first so I can demonstrate it. So for this particular product, when I open it, I see that there's the price rule implemented. So if I buy 2 or more items of this product, I can have additional 24% discount. So it will be 4.99 euros per bottle instead of 6.59. Let me demonstrate it for you. So I'm going to add one bottle to my shopping cart. Okay, So here you can see it's 6:59, and if I change my mind and I decided to add another bottle, you can see that the price rule has been applied straight away, and now the item price is $4.99 as stated in this notification. Okay, so among other features, there are also upsell product support available. I'm going to demonstrate it on this product example. So when we scroll down, we see some recommended products as well as upsell products. So you can customize it as you like based on your business case. And upsell products will appear on the product description page under the block with the related products, as I just demonstrated. So there are also other useful features released last week. As I mentioned, SEO improvements, bug fixes, also some important notes for developers. And there's another update rolled out last week, ScandiPWA 2.11.1. So let's check what's new in 2.11.1 version. So here we can see we now have cookie notice support that is configurable from admin. So when you log into your admin, go to Stores, Configurations, ScandiPWA Content Customization, Cookie Pop-up, and you can configure your cookie notice. Also, upsell products supported, richer CMS features, and of course, bug fixes. So there are two new releases rolled out last week, and if you want to be updated instantly on every release, I suggest to open our GitHub pages for ScandiPWA base theme and ScandiPWA base, and simply watch the repository so that you can be updated instantly. Let's move on to our next topic for today. It's updated ScandiPWA.com website. So I'm happy to present you a new updates. When you go to developer section on ScandiPWA.com, we have updated the video section. We have added all relevant videos for you and removed some older unrelevant videos, so you can easily follow all the required steps and could easily find answers to your questions, starting from how to install ScandiPWA theme on your local installation on Linux machines, how to set up ScandiPWA frontend, how to work with the ScandiPWA theme, etc. There are a lot of videos, and there are more if you open our YouTube channel clicking on this link. You will find 17 new videos covering all possible aspects of ScandiPWA theme, and there are more to come. Also, as I demonstrated, these videos are mostly relevant to developers working with the theme, but if you want to configure your store and make a shop similar to this, you do not actually need to have any technical knowledge and any developer help needed. You can easily navigate to this blog on ScandiPWA.com site and follow these tutorials that would cover all the customization steps from your Magento backend. So if you have ScandiPWA theme installed, you can go to backend and easily customize everything without a need to involve your developers. And store, like our demo store, can be easily configured within just a couple of hours. Here is a link to watch other useful tutorials from this series. So if you go to our YouTube channel and open tutorials and how-tos playlist, you will find 13 useful videos that are covering basically all the required steps to configure your store. And let's move on to our third and last topic for today. New partners added to ScandiPWA partner directory. So here on our partners page, you can see an impressive list of solution partners, starting with featured partners and other solution partners. And we see that this list is growing, and every day we are adding, almost every day we're adding new partners and having scheduled calls with new companies that are interested in using this solution. So here you can also find technology partners, and this list is also growing. If you're an agency and your company is not listed yet on ScandiPWA.com site, make sure to open our partners directory, click Become a Partner, fill in a form, and we'll get in touch with you instantly so we can discuss cooperation and you can be listed in the partner directory. And if you're asking what are the benefits, well, this topic was covered last week, but briefly, all the benefits are also mentioned on ScandiPWA partners page. For example, it's free of charge to become a partner. There is no annual partner fee requested. We are preparing weekly newsletters for partners to keep you up to date. We also have new and updating our educational materials for qualified partners. There is partner badge that you can showcase on your website or in your sales materials. Also, we're offering one free certification voucher, so you can pass ScandiPWA certification program and showcase your experience with the certification badge. For those working with customer sites, we are ready to offer consultations, and also feel free to jump in our Slack to ask your questions and connect directly with dev leads. We can help you with showcasing your experience, your proof of concept, by providing a ScandiPWA cloud instance for your agency's demo site. And of course, happy to share up to 20% of lifetime referral fee if you refer a customer that is signed up for ScandiPWA Cloud. Basically, these are some of the benefits, and we are always happy to connect with you and discuss your cooperation with ScandiPWA. So make sure to apply for partnership on our partners directory. Well, this is it for today. These are 3 topics that was discussed during this session today. First, we have 2 new releases since last week. We've updated ScandiPWA site with new videos for developers, and also we see that a list of ScandiPWA partners is growing. Here's my email address. Make sure to send all your questions, any questions you have, to my email address, and I'll be happy to answer you. So this is it for today. Thank you for your attention, and see you next time. Bye.